Welcome to the project demonstration of state of charge estimation of lithium ion battery. In this project we are using LCD display, Arduino Uno, ESP Wi-Fi module and track PCB and rectifier, relay board and current and voltage sensor with a TP4056 and also using a DC motor for the load and lithium ion battery. So we are giving the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply. And here we can see also we are using a temperature sensor which will monitor the temperature. So it takes 230 volts of power supply. That power supply will be given to this rectifier. We know rectifier converts AC to DC. The converter DC is 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this track PCB. So track PCB main aim is equal to divide the power equal to the components like relays, Arduino board, ESP and motor, like that. So if I give now I am giving the power supply. So first of all we need to connect our mobile hotspot name as a. So here we can see hotspot settings. So project 66600 without any capital letter, without any space, and a password should be 129 and an AP band should be 2.4 GHz. Then only this Wi-Fi model will be connected to our mobile. So we are sharing our mobile data to the Wi-Fi model. So Wi-Fi model will be share data through using mobile data. So the data will be sent to the ThinkSpeak. So now we are giving the power supply. So here we can see display. When it done means initialization done by ESP. So here we can see voltage is 3.22 and here we can see the milliamps of the current, and also we can see temperature and SOC percentage also. Now if the battery voltage become less than 3 volts, then automatically relay will be get switched off this load and give a charge to the battery. Now for that one I remove this one. So here we can see relay is on and off, which means it will be give a charge 1 minute and it will monitor the battery charge 1 second. So it will give a charge 1 second and it will monitor the charge in 1 second. That's why it is monitoring in 1 second and charging this 1 second. So it will charge 1 minute, then it will give it will monitor again in 1 second. So it is more than 3, or if it is more than 3, then automatically this relay will be get switched off. Now I am pressing this charge. So now here we can see battery voltage is 3.46. Automatically the relay switching is off and load is get switched on. And also we can see temperature readings. So for that one I am providing the temperature soldering machine to this one. So we can see the temperature is increasing slowly. So nearly it is a 45-46 degrees centigrade, and we can see the values from ThinkSpeak. So we need to go for the ThinkSpeak. So here we can see the ThinkSpeak. If we log in the ThinkSpeak, so we can see here the interface like this. We need to go for the BMS SOC. So we can see battery values, also voltage values and the current values and the temperature values, and also state of charge values. So we can physically can we see here from the display, and in website using the IoT technology we can see in the ThinkSpeak app. Data will be updated every 15 seconds or 20 seconds. So we can see with the time and date. So this is the last one. So we can see here current amps, April 4, 24 and time also. If we want to download this data, so we need to go for the import and export. So here we can see data import and export. We need to go this one, and we can see download option. We can download this one. So data will be downloaded in Excel sheet. We need to open in a Excel sheet. So we can see here time and seconds and also current values and voltage values. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.